guys, Keaton here. So what I'm about to show you is something really crazy. This right here is the world's first 3D printed iPhone 8 just off pictures and renders. This thing's super legit. It even has that new vertical camera and it's kind of thick.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
It's a lot thicker than my iPhone 7, so what's new with the iPhone 8? Alright guys, so right back there, I'm 3D printing the world's first iPhone 8. That sounds awesome. I wouldn't be able to make this happen if it wasn't for Benjamin Gaskin. So if you guys want to check out his Twitter, link down below. He has all the iPhone 8 hookups. The guy's been mad accurate on Twitter, and he sent your boy the iPhone 8 3D file. Maybe we'll get the plus one. That'd be sick. Drop a like on this video if you guys want him to send me that. What I'm doing right now is I'm actually in the program where you kind of customize all the settings for the 3D printer. This is my first time using a 3D printer. Matt legit made all this happen. He helped me set this up. Like, your boy would not have been able to make stuff come out if it wasn't for him. So here is the iPhone 8 file. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys can see the camera right there. It's pretty crazy. That's the magic we're making happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse it. Why I'm wearing sunglasses is I'm about to go to Australia. I just came back from a flight. I'm tired from printing this iPhone 8. As you guys can see, this thing is gonna be insane, and this entire video is kind of to give you a good representation of what the iPhone 8 is gonna look like from people that have drawings and renders that are actually the iPhone 8, like Benjamin Gaskin. This is about to be insane. So here's the first weird thing on the iPhone 8. So guys, one of the biggest changes is the screen. So the iPhone 8 is gonna have this bezel-less display, meaning it's all gonna be screen. So this is gonna be what the iPhone 8 looks like. This is just from pictures and everything I printed. I'm just only gonna say that one more time. So what you're gonna get with this is all screen. So you guys see on the iPhone 7 right here, how you have these thick white bars. These are bezels. And on the iPhone 8, it's gonna keep the same size as the iPhone 7, but give you a bigger screen. Doesn't that sound pretty cool, right? It sounds awesome. And also, the iPhone 8 is gonna be thicker. Like, my 3D printer, this is one of the first times I've ever 3D printed, but I think I did a pretty good job after I messed up twice and didn't really realize that till like 4 hours later, and I got it done. We got the iPhone 8 right here. But the iPhone 8 is gonna be thicker. It might have a bigger battery. It's definitely gonna have some wireless charging, but it's actually gonna be thicker and kind of resemble the iPhone 2B, like the first iPhone. You guys probably remember. Let me know in the comments if you guys ever have touched one. Those things are awesome. So you guys can see my iPhone 7 here is pretty thin. With the iPhone 8 being thicker, I don't know about the Plus model. Like legit, guys, I'm a mess here. I almost like took out my entire table. So I just wanna show you guys how much thicker the iPhone 8 that I made is compared to the iPhone 7. I got this thing called a caliper. I don't actually know how to say it right. So you guys can see right here, it is 7.14 millimeters. So let's try my iPhone 8 here. It's definitely thicker. Obviously it's gonna be a little off because I made this with a 3D printer, but it's gonna be a little, yeah, no, that's definitely thicker. Not by much, but yeah, that's like 7.53. A bigger battery is gonna happen. So I made a 3D printed iPhone 8. So it doesn't have everything that we're gonna see on the iPhone 8. This is just some of the first stuff. But one of the biggest things that I'm seeing, I don't know if you guys can see it too well. I'll put some pictures of it on screen right now, but the camera is vertical. I hope you guys can see it, but the camera is vertical. Legit, it's vertical. So take the iPhone 7 Plus camera. You know how it has two cameras, and pretty much just rotate that vertically. That's exactly what it looks like. This is just the iPhone 8. I don't know what the iPhone 8 Plus is gonna look like. Could it have 3 cameras? Like, yo, what if it just had a camera going down the side? You could just be like, hey, let me take a photo, and you take a photo of the entire world. That's what the camera's gonna look like. It's definitely gonna be boosted up. It's gonna be great. And what I said before, there's gonna be a bunch of cameras right where that like speaker cutout is, right to the left and right of it. I think there's gonna be like 2 or more. So Snapchats, they're gonna look amazing. And then when you wanna take some more professional video, instead of always having to hold your phone like this, maybe you could hold your phone like this. At least for me, it's more comfortable and still kind of get a better shot because like sometimes when you upload vertical video, especially on YouTube, it kind of crops it weird, and the only way to see it like full screen is you have to tap full screen. So maybe this vertical video thing is gonna be like the biggest game changer. I don't know if you guys know this, but I've actually 3D printed the iPhone SE before. I did this last year, same thing with the iPad Pro. They turned out really good. This one, I just gotta spend like a little more time on it. I'll get some painting out. This thing we're gonna make look like the iPhone 8. I'm gonna get the apps and everything. But one of the really interesting things is, where's Touch ID? Like, where is the home button? If they're gonna have this all-screen display, which would be awesome because you're gonna get a bigger screen without getting like a bigger device. But where's like Touch ID? Is it gonna be built into the screen? That'd be awesome. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like that. A lot of people are saying it's actually gonna be on the back of the iPhone, which is a first, so it would just be like kind of right in the center here. I don't even know if there's gonna be an Apple logo. Probably get like bumped down, but it'd just be like right there. So when you pick your phone up, you just rest your index finger like on the back here and it unlocks it. I don't really know how good I feel about that. If it was just built into the screen and I could just rest my thumb on there, that would be better. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. This is the world's first 3D printed iPhone 8. I'm probably gonna do a bunch of other videos kind of like this. Thank you so much, Jorge and Abe, for having my notifications on. If you guys want a notification shout out, turn on my YouTube notifications and let me know in the comments. Get subscribed if you're new and tweet me at TechSmartt if you guys find any other weird gadgets. This is gonna be my new phone now. Bye!